Small spaces, big creativity. Let's unbox the 6-piece capsule felt board set. Everything you need is right here. We use custom double-sided adhesive squares instead of standard dots, ensuring a stronger grip and a perfectly flush fit against your wall. Prepping is a breeze. Just apply 2 adhesive squares to the back of each handle. No drills, no mess. Now for the fun part. Press them firmly onto the wall. We're going for a dynamic, staggered wave layout using our mixed color palette. Notice how the elegant beveled edges catch the light, adding instant depth and texture. Organize your jewelry, pin your favorite art pieces, or proudly display a cute Polaroid. Create a wall that truly reflects your style.